Hey guys, and welcome to the Checkout and Cart Countdown apps and optimization tutorial for the DragonDrop themes sales theme. In this tutorial, I'll go over some tips to customize the checkout and cart experience so we get more conversions. Firstly, we want to go into the Checkout and Cart Countdowns app. Once we get to the screen, the first step is to select colors for the pending and completed colors for the checkout. To show you what these are, I've opened up a checkout page here. As you can see, this top bar here is customized from the regular Shopify checkout experience. We have this fancy bar at the top, which is mobile responsive. The colors we are customizing in the app page are these colors right here. I'll change them to pink and a darker pink so we can see the difference between our current one and the new one. Next up, we have the high demand text, which can be customized. This appears on the checkout page and also the cart page. There's a few settings you can customize, including the text at the top, inside the countdown itself, and how long the countdown should run for, in seconds. You can also set the text that appears when the countdown is finished. This disappears if the customer refreshes the page. We'll change a few settings and mess around with it. A badge icon can be displayed in the checkout screen as well. If you would much rather upload your own badge icon, you can click Use Custom Badge Image and enter your own URL if you like. Make sure you use the same image upload process we will go over shortly. You can choose to have the badge appear at the top of the checkout page or at the bottom. I usually prefer the top, but if you don't want too much clutter, then bottom can work too. Now for the Why Us section. You want to reinforce why the customer should buy from you. I'll change the title and add a dummy reason to show you how this works. Now in this section, you want to make sure that you enter a HTTPS image URL. To do that, Shopify provides us with the file manager, which can be found under Settings in the Shopify admin panel. Upload your image file here and copy-paste the URL into the Why Us section. I'll use this dummy apparel grid as my image. I'll type in a silly reason why people should buy from us. Okay, I'm happy with these settings. Let's click Update Settings. Now the screen changes to an instructions page, which takes you through how to get this set up for the checkout page. The cart page will automatically update, but the checkout page needs a little more attention. I'll take you through this now as well. Basically, you want to go to Online Store, Preferences, and copy-paste the code you get from the app into this section here. If you don't see this section by default, you might need to enter a dummy Google Analytics code or use an actual code. I'll use UA*1-1 here. After you enter the code, a section pops up. Copy paste the code you got from the app into this section, and that's it. Now we can go to the checkout page and refresh. As you can see, everything has updated, including the navigation, badge, and Why Us reasons. Something else that gets updated is the cart page. Like I said before, this is updated automatically, so it should now have our new countdown of 40 minutes. Let's have a look at that now. There you go. That's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, if you have any issues, then check the FAQ. If you have any questions, then get in touch via email, help desk, or live chat.